Welcome to our series focused on making Canvas courses ADA Title II compliant. In this video, we're going to explore adding alt text to your images. So there's a couple different ways you can do this. So I'm back in here with my Canvas page with a lot of text, and I have a placeholder where I want to add an image. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click the Edit button. I'm going to go to the space where my image should be, and I am going to click on the little image icon here. I'm going to upload an image from my computer. And here I have this nice picture. Now when I'm uploading a photo, if you scroll down a little bit, you will see that it has a place where I can put in the alt text at the time of upload. So I'm going to go ahead and do this. So when adding an alt text to an image, I just want to add a descriptor of the picture because a screen reader for our accessibility students cannot explain the picture. It can, however, read the alt text. So as you can see here, I've described what's in the picture for the screen reader. Image of a rooftop garden with a city skyline in the background that shows sustainable urban farming practices. Now that I've got that alt text in there, I'm ready to submit and upload my picture and put it into my Canvas page. Now you'll see that the image is currently in my Canvas page. Now, perhaps you pulled an image from somewhere else in Canvas, or you uploaded it and didn't add the alt text at time of upload. Don't worry, there's another way you can do this. I'm just going to be in my edit screen. I'm going to click on the picture and an image options button shows up. I'm going to click on that. And what you're going to see is under image options on the right side of the screen, the very thing that comes up is the alt text box. So all I need to do is go ahead and type in here what my alt text should be, and then hit done. However, there are times where maybe the image is just decorative and it isn't actually substantial to the page overall. If that's the case, you're just going to check the decorative image box and click done. But that's how easy it is to add alt text to your images in Canvas. I hope this helped.